Hi friends, I am Santosh Kumar Gupta. Today we are going to learn HCF by prime factorization method. How to find HCF by prime factorization method. So when we find HCF by prime factorization method, first find the prime factors to the given numbers. So here are two numbers in first example 15 and 20. So first find the prime factors 15 and 20 both. 15 is divisible by 3, 3 5s are 15 and 5 is divisible by 5, one time. Now 20 divisible by 2, 10 times, and also divisible by 2, 5, and 5 is divisible by 5, one time. So 15 is equal to 3 into 5 and 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. To find the HCF, take common factors, means only that factor which include in all the numbers. जो फैक्टर सभी नंबर में इंक्लूड है ओनली वही नंबर हम HCF के रूप में लेंगे. Here 3 is not in both numbers, so 3 is not taken. 5 include in both numbers, so HCF 5. 2 not include in both here, so only the factor is taken which is include in the all numbers. So HCF of 15 and 20 is equal to 5, means common factor only 5. Now second example 18 and 30. First find the prime factors. You know already about prime numbers, the number which is divisible only one and itself. So here take only prime numbers, not take any composite number. So 2 9s are 18, 3 divisible by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now 30 divisible by 2, 15 times, 15 is divisible by 3, 3 5s are 50 and 5 is divisible by 5, one time. So 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 and 30 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Now HCF is equal to 2 is not included in both numbers, so 2 is not taken. 3 included in both means 3 common. First thing. Also second 3 is common in first number and second number. Both numbers 3 include 2 times, so 3 is taken 2 times. 3 3s are 9. 5 not include, so leave 5. So HCF is equal to 9. 3 3s are 9. Means HCF of 18 and 30 is equal, sorry, here 2. Only 1 3 is included in both numbers, so HCF is equal to 3, and also here first 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. So SCF of 18 and 30 is equal to 6. Once again, 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. First 3 common, include in both numbers, and second number 3 also include both numbers. Second 3 is not in both numbers, also 5 is not common. Only common numbers taken. Now third example, 12, 18 and 42. Two 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, and 3 1 are 3. Now 18 also divisible by 2, 9 times. 3 divisible by 3, 3 times, and 3 1 are 3. Now 42 is divisible by 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 21. 21 is not divisible by 2, so take 3, 3 7 are 21, and 7 1 are 7. So 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, and 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3, and 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Now we have 3 numbers, so only take the factors which include all 3 numbers. So first number, in second number, in third number. 2 is common, so SCF is equal to 2. Next 2 is not include all the numbers, so leave. 3 3 3, so 3 is also taken. 3 2s are 6, SCF is equal to 6. केवल वही नंबर्स हम लेते हैं जो सभी नंबर्स के फैक्टर्स में शामिल होते हैं. 2 सभी नंबर्स में शामिल हैं, मीन्स कॉमन है, इसलिए हमने फर्स्ट 2 को लिया. सेकंड 2 सब में नहीं शामिल है, इसको हम छोड़ देते हैं. 3 जो है सब में शामिल है, इसलिए 3 को हम लेंगे. तो एचसीएफ का मतलब है वही नंबर लेना है जो कॉमन है, मतलब सभी नंबर्स में शामिल है. 2 नंबर्स हैं तो 2 नंबर्स में शामिल होने चाहिए. 3 नंबर्स हैं तो 3 सब में शामिल होना चाहिए. 4 नंबर्स अगर हमारे पास हैं तो सभी 4 नंबर्स में वह नंबर फैक्टर शामिल होना चाहिए. Some more examples here. 30, 45, 60. First find the prime factors. 30, 45 and 60. Thirty is divisible by 2, 15 times, and 15 is divisible by 3, 3 5s are 15, and 5 is divisible by 5, one time. Now 45 is not divisible by 2 because its ones place digit 5. 5 is not divisible by 2, so 45 is also not divisible by 2. Now next prime number 3. 45 is divisible by 3 because you already know that if any number or sum of all digits is divisible by 3, then the given number is also divisible by 3. Here 45 and digits 4 and 5. Sum of 4 and 5 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 45 is also divisible by 3. So take here 3. 15 टाइम 3 1 जा 3 1 5 15 3 5 जा 15. So 15 times quotient. Now 15 is also divisible by 3. 3 5 are 15 and 5 is divisible by 5 one time. Now 60 is divisible by 2 because its ones place digit is 0. So take 2. 2 3 is 6 0. Now 30 is also divisible by 2 15 times. 15 is divisible by 3 5 times and 5 is divisible by 5. So 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. And 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. To include first and third number, but second number is in second number not include. 2 केवल फर्स्ट और सेकंड नंबर और थर्ड नंबर में शामिल है, सेकंड नंबर में शामिल नहीं है, इसलिए हम 2 को एचसीएफ नहीं ले सकते. Now second number 3 in first, second and third. So 3 is common. 3 is common factor because 3 is include in all 3 numbers. So SCF 3. And next 5 is also common factor. Common factor मतलब जो सभी नंबर्स में शामिल है वही हमारा common factor है. So here 5 is common factor. 3 5s are 15. So SCF of 30, 45 and 60 is equal to 15. All the given numbers is divisible by 15. 15 is the highest number. Divide 30, 45 and 60. Because SCF full form highest common factor. Highest common factor. The full form of SCF. So 15 is SCF of 30, 45 and 60. Now second example 90, 120 and 150. Ninety is divisible by 2. To also divide other place. 2 4s are 8, 1 0, 2 5s are 10. So 45 times. Now 45 is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 15 times. 3 5s are 15 and 5 is divisible by 5. Now 120 is also divisible by 2 because ones place digit 0. 2 6 are 12, 0. Once again take 2. 2 3 are 6 and 0. 2 15 times. 3 3 5 are 15 and 5. Now 150 is also divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14, 1 0, 2 5s are 10. 75 times. Now take 3. Because 75 is not divisible by 2. So take 3. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Sum of the given number digits 12. So The given number 75 is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 25 times. Now take 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 one time. So 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 120 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And 150 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now take common factors. 2. Second, 3. 3 is also include in all the numbers. So take 3. Now next 3 is not included in all the numbers. So not taken. Next 5 is also common factors. First 5 only, second 5 not. So 5. 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. So SCF of 90, 120 and 150 is equal to 30. This type you easily find the SCF by prime factorization method. यदि आपको ये वीडियो हमारा पसंद आए तो आप लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें, और कोई कमेंट आपका हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखकर हमें जरूर बताएं। थैंक यू।